Yes. Oh, yes. I'm back again with another video. I'm back again with another episode. I'm back again with another analysis about the Tribablas interchange in Zimbabwe. Tribablas interchange in Zimbabwe, the Republic of Zimbabwe. I want someone to explain to me. I want someone to describe this thing to me. I want somebody to expurgate this thing to me. I want someone to elucidate this thing to me. Is this country, Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, so poor to the level or to the extent whereby 3 banks, 3 financial institutions, 3 financial establishments have to combine together, come together to raise $88 million and build or finance the Tribablas interchange? Is this country, Zimbabwe, this nation, Zimbabwe, that Jehovah God created, so poor to the extent that 3 banks have to come together just to raise $88 million, or let me say rather $90 million, to fund or finance that Tribablas interchange? Are we so poor to that level? Don't we have money in this country to that level? Don't we have resources or assets in this country, in this nation, to that level? Are we so poor? Are we so down to the earth to that level? Are we so broke as a country, as a nation, to that level? To say 3 banks must come together, 3 financial institutions, 3 financial establishments must come together only to raise $90 million, just to raise $90 million and finance that development, Tribablas interchange. Are we so poor to that level? What about the government? What about the money from the government, the coffers of the government? What's happening? Where are the resources or the assets of the government as a country, as a nation? The leader of this country, the leader of this nation. Okay, what about saying maybe only 1 bank to finance that development? Only 1 bank, just 1 bank to finance, to fund that development. Why 3 banks, 3 good banks, 3 whole banks to finance only $88 million? I don't understand. I don't really understand. I'm just analyzing, I'm just assessing this thing. I don't understand. 3 banks to fund $88 million or $90 million. Tribablas interchange development that happened. 3 good banks to come together, to put their resources together into 1 pool and fund $88 million. 3 banking establishments, 3 financial institutions. I don't understand. I don't understand. Somebody has to shed light on my brain. Somebody has to shed light on my mind, on my brain. Are we so poor to that level? Zimbabwe, the country that Jehovah created by his wisdom and intelligence, Tribablas interchange in 2025, to say 3 banks must come together, plus the government of the country, plus the government of the country, of the nation, which becomes 4 partners just to raise $90 million. As small as that, as little as that, as minute as that, as tiny as that, $90 million. Are we so poor to that level, Zimbabwe? Who did this to us? Who did this to us? Who bewitched us? Where is this witchcraft coming from? Who bewitched us? As a people, as a country, as a nation, the government, another bank, another bank, another bank, 4 partners, only to raise $90 million. $90 million. When other countries are doing billions of projects, super projects, mega projects, to the tune of billions. In Kenya, they did electric rail network, $16 billion. Tanzania, they did the same electric rail network, $10 billion. Botswana and Zambia, they built a bridge, 259 million. 259 million. Botswana and Zambia governments, a big bridge by the name Kazungula Bridge. Kazungula Bridge, $259 million. In Tanzania, they built a bridge, John Pombe Magufuli Bridge, $300 million. $300 million. And in Zimbabwe, we are talking about $90 million, Trabablas interchange. And we need 3 banks plus the government to finance that development, that establishment, Trabablas interchange. 3 banks plus the government. Are we so poor to that level? Are we so broke to the ground to that level? So we don't have resources, we don't have assets as a country. Where's the gold? Where's the diamond? Where's the platinum? Where's the tin, copper, silver, bronze? Where are the minerals that Jehovah gave us as a country, as a people, as a nation? Where are the minerals or mineral resources? Where are the taxes going? The money from toll gates, where is it? The money from taxes around the country, around the nation, tax money, toll gate money, where is it? I don't understand. Zimbabwe, come on. Zimbabwe, come on. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm done talking. I'm done talking.